What's going on, guys? This is Brian G, and today we'll be unboxing this Dobe PS4 wireless controller. Let's go. Before we do that, just a little backstory. I have this DS4 that came with a PS4, and over time, its PS button isn't responding anymore. So, I bought this cheap knockoff for 640 pesos. Unsurprisingly, it sucks. Joystick drift, y-axis can go 100%, shady battery when I open it up. Ending, I just switched their ribbon connectors and it fixed the PS button on the original DS4. An original DualShock 4 cost about 3,000 pesos, so when I saw Data Blitz post with a price of 995 for the Dolby PS4 controller, I said, okay. Also, it comes in black for 895 pesos if you want to go cheaper. Alright, enough chit chat, let's do this. Okay, let's. Okay, here's the box. On the left, just a picture. On the right, we got the specifications: 5 volts, charging current 400 milliampere hours, working current, current skirt, product size, package size, and I got the color white. Here we got some descriptions. We got detachable and washable bracket, detachable and washable brackets again. Built-in gyro, touch function, double motor vibration, available in multiple sizes, wireless connection. I think just this and just this. Okay, we unbox this. Okay, what we have here is the controller. Get the white one. Oh, it has battery. Okay. Got these 4 extra joysticks. Here we go. Oh, it's a Type C. Sorry, here we go. That's a Type C cable. There we go, guys. It's a Type C. And instruction, user manual, product diagram. You can pause it if you like. Okay, that's everything, I guess. Let's keep this here. Okay, let's close this for a moment. Our original DualShock 4 controller is around 204 grams. This knockoff is at 208 grams. And our Adobe PlayStation 4 controller is at 208 grams. Very similar in the weight. Okay, this feels harder to press. It has a harder R3 and L3 button. Okay, squishy. Louder share, louder PS button, and louder options. Same squishiness. Okay, it feels a little harder. Yeah. I don't know. Let's try. Maybe we can measure. 220 to go to full. And around 200 to go to full. Yeah, everything seems harder to press. Maybe because it's brand new. I don't know. And it's removable. Yeah, you can wash this. I think it has a breathable design. Although I don't know, this looks like something that would catch dirt. I don't know. It's easily removable. Just push it outside and easily placeable back as well. This one's okay. It's not a screw type. I think we could pull this out. Ah, that was easy. Okay. I hope it doesn't jump out when playing. You could replace it with the other one. Okay, this one is taller as you can see. This one is also taller as well. Okay, I guess what's included already is the smallest one. So if you want to go for a taller joystick, they have included two pairs. I think I like the clickiness. All right, let's pair this with a PlayStation 4 and check out if it's any good. We just plug this here. So we just plug this here and plug in here. Press that. Hug here. Period. Hug here. Period. Okay. There we go. It is found. Okay, so my monitor doesn't have a speaker, so we'll be only listening to the clickiness of this controller. Ooh, there's rumble. Almost forgot to mention that. Wow. Wow. Did you guys see that? Okay, here's the problem that I found. Um, it's not smooth when turning. See, it's not very smooth. And, okay, I'm gonna go full up, then going northwest. See, it stops somewhere. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna press up on the right joystick. Then, if I slowly turn right, it it goes. It has full stop. It goes full stop. See, so it's not smooth when turning. It's not smooth when turning from up to upper right. Okay, I'm turning circle, and you can see it's on the left analog stick. Don't seem to have a problem. On the right analog stick, there's your first problem. So somewhere around here and here, on the upper right and lower right, it gets a little bump. See that there's a I really like tactile buttons on this. The design is not as circular, but it's still ergonomic. It works like a regular controller. You can wake up the PlayStation 4 with the PS button. The brackets really feel like it's absorbing my sweat, unlike the original DualShock where you have to wipe it off when you get too sweaty. It almost has half the battery compared to the original, so you'll be charging more frequent for long sessions. Or you should probably use a cable with this. But hey, half the capacity for three times less the price, right? The only downside that I had, at least on my controller, is that it had dead spot on its right analog stick. This is the same issue that I complained about fake controller that I bought. Could it be just mine? I don't know. I wish they had better quality control. My cousin bought an Android controller for less than this, and it doesn't have an issue with the analog stick. Would I recommend it? It's hard to recommend a product that you are not guaranteed to be without issue. How I wish that I chose the black one instead so that I'd waste less money. What I suggest is that you don't skimp on this and buy an authentic DualShock 4, or you could wait for a PlayStation anniversary, holiday, or state of play sale. So are you still planning to buy this, or have you already bought one and just looking for others with the same issue? Please leave a comment down below and share with us your experience with this controller. Again, this is Brian G. Thank you for watching. EVG out.